Before you spend your hard-earned money on floor-standing speakers, watch this first. Some of the most talked about models in 2026 failed to live up to the hype, while one incredible speaker delivers stunning sound, room-shaking bass, and exceptional value. Stay with us as we count down the 5 best floor-standing speakers you can buy this year.
Number 1. DeWalt 45-piece screwdriver bit set. Need a reliable bit set for everyday repairs and projects? The DeWalt 45-piece screwdriver bit set includes a wide range of common bit types, all organized in a compact, durable case. Designed for versatility, it covers Phillips, slotted, Torx, and hex bits, making it suitable for furniture assembly, home repairs, and DIY tasks without needing multiple separate tools. The bits are made from hardened steel for durability, and the case is built for easy storage and portability, so you can keep everything organized, whether at home or on the job. Built for consistent performance and long-term use, this set offers dependable value for both beginners and experienced users who need a practical, all-in-one solution for everyday tasks. One compact set that handles almost every screw type? That's the kind of toolkit that saves time and frustration instantly.
Number 2. Jackson Palmer 218-piece Ultimate Screwdriver Bit Set. Need a complete toolkit for almost any repair job? The Jackson Palmer 218-piece Ultimate Screwdriver Bit Set includes a wide variety of bits, sockets, and accessories organized in a portable case. With coverage for Phillips, flathead, Torx, hex, and specialty bits, it's designed to handle electronics, furniture assembly, automotive work, and general repairs without needing multiple separate kits. The organized storage case keeps everything neatly arranged and easy to access, helping you quickly find the right bit while reducing clutter during projects at home or on the go. Built for versatility and long-term usability, this set offers a practical, all-in-one solution for DIY users and professionals who want a comprehensive, reliable toolkit ready for various tasks. If you want a complete, organized, and versatile toolkit, this set is definitely worth checking out for handling everything from small fixes to bigger projects.
Number 3. Perigo Universal Socket Set. Tired of switching between multiple sockets for different bolts? The Perigo Universal Socket Set uses a self-adjusting design with spring-loaded pins to grip various shapes and sizes automatically. It adapts to hex nuts, bolts, hooks, and irregular fasteners, making it a versatile tool for quick fixes, reducing the need to carry a full socket set for everyday tasks. Compatible with standard drills and ratchets, it's easy to use for home repairs, furniture assembly, and DIY projects, all while saving time and simplifying your toolkit. Built for convenience and flexibility, it's a practical addition for light to moderate use, offering a simple solution for handling multiple fastener types without complicated setups. One socket that fits almost everything? That's the kind of tool that makes quick fixes way faster and way less frustrating.
Number 4. Makita Ultra Magnetic Bit Holder. Ever dropped screws while working in tight spaces? The Makita Ultra Magnetic Bit Holder features a strong built-in magnet designed to securely hold bits and fasteners during use. Its magnetic strength helps improve efficiency and control, reducing slips and dropped screws, making it especially useful for overhead work, precision tasks, and repetitive fastening jobs. Built with durable materials and a compact design, it fits standard hex shank bits and works seamlessly with drills and drivers for everyday DIY or professional use. Designed for consistent performance and long-term reliability, it's a simple yet effective upgrade that enhances accuracy, saves time, and improves workflow across a wide range of projects. If you want better control and convenience in your projects, this is definitely worth checking out as a practical addition to your toolkit. Number 5. Draper 82386 Screwdriver and Magnetic Bit. Want a simple, reliable tool for everyday fixes? The Draper 82386 screwdriver comes with a magnetic bit holder and interchangeable bits, designed for convenience and easy handling in daily tasks. The magnetic tip helps securely hold screws in place, improving control and reducing slips, which makes it especially useful for precision work and tight spaces where accuracy matters. It features an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip and better torque, allowing you to work longer with less strain, whether you're assembling furniture or handling quick repairs. Built for durability and consistent use, it's a dependable hand tool that offers practical value for homeowners and DIY users who need a straightforward, efficient screwdriver solution. A magnetic screwdriver that actually keeps screws in place? That's the kind of simple upgrade that makes every job smoother. Sometimes the smallest tool makes the biggest difference. If one of these magnetic bit holders caught your eye, hit the link below and upgrade your toolkit today.